Mr. Goel, the question coming up to you on the screen.
Yeah, I think thanks for the question. It's a very pertinent question, especially for the commercial vehicle industry, because we all know that commercial vehicle industry is highly seasonal and highly cyclical. So in that context, maintaining that high operational efficiency is definitely require much more different and innovative strategy. So there could be possibility of many strategy, but I would like to answer this question in context of Ashok Leyland. So we have been driven by the 5 values of the company, which is start with customer centricity, trust, partnership, innovation, and agility. So if you look at the customer centricity, the entire operations lines have completely digital controls in terms of quality. So not only that we ensure that there's no defect go to the customer end, but we also ensure defect should not be produced at all. So that in case of any variation of demand, we are rest assured that quality is being taken care of. When it comes to trust, we have 12 manufacturing sites in India. Each site has wonderful training center, which we call Nalanda, where everyone who comes and joins, before he or she hits the shop floor, it's necessary that one has to go to the rigorous training, so that we are sure that the talent which is coming to the company is being trained and everyone knows their job. So that creates a very good trust among the, it could be blue collar, white collar, that we understand that what is the expectation from them. Third is agility. So we have more than 750 dealers across India and of course outside India as well. So we all know that the market shifts sometime without just blip of any policy decision. For example, a GST implication has come and suddenly demand grew up. Sometimes the segment change happened. So with this dealership, how do we capture demand very rapidly on a weekly basis and make sure that it has been fed in our MRP, so that entire supply chain get aligned before the market get a reaction. So that's the good example for agility, which the all plans is centrally connected and making sure that we deliver the customer value and the product which customer want on time. The next, I think partnership. The biggest strength of Ashok Leyland is the partners of Ashok Leyland. Some of them are sitting in this room as well. So, and there are partners we call supplier partners. They are with us more than 50 years as well. And all thick and things, they always support and cooperate that what is the demand upside, 30-40% or downside as well. And we also have very unique initiative for supplier partner development, which we call Quality Quest, wherein there's a very genuine effort with all the suppliers to improve their quality productivity levels. So this brings much more trust and partnership with our partners, because 75% of the vehicle which we make, actually the parts come from partners. So if our partners are strong, definitely the vehicle which we make will be strong. And last, which is very important, is the culture of innovation. So we have a very unique initiative called LCART, which is Ashok Leyland Smart Innovation Team. We used to call 𝗵𝗶𝗴𝗵, where everyone in the company, right from top to bottom, blue collar, everyone participate through various improvement initiatives. So very happy to say that this year, when we celebrated LCART competition annually, we have done more than 30,000 improvement done by the team, and which actually gives the whole lot of employments across Ashok Leyland for the single objective and vision of the company.
Yes, amazing.
So being the lead in Ashok Leyland, I think it's not only one strategy, but it's the complete strategy, and I think it's completely, in Ashok Leyland, I've seen the values which is there. It's not only on the wall, it's been practiced every day, and our strategies are completely governed by that.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Can we have a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for Mr. Ghoshal and for Mr. Goel. Mr. Goel, if I may be allowed to distill, from whatever you said, I feel that maybe the basic, whatever distillate we get, why you are succeeding so much is maybe because you have that Nalanda. We have noticed that most students who come into organization, they're not prepared. They're not prepared for organization. University and organization are totally cut off. But what you are doing, maybe getting them ready to get into organization, and that has helped the organization really move forward.
Absolutely, absolutely. Yeah. I think Raghvendra mentioned a very good point at the beginning of the speech. The culture and the ownership is one of the most difficult things to develop or inculcate. I fully agree with him. But I think that's a first humble step which we do at the beginning of their career, of those freshers who come directly from college and schools, that they make sure that they have the right intent when they hit the industry.
That's right, yeah. Okay, so once again, ladies and gentlemen, can we have a huge round of applause? Thank you very much for the insights.